beautiful people. It has been a minute since I posted on YouTube, but you know what? I got you, okay? You know you're here for all things Darnaya and Darice. And so today's video, I am doing a mommy manicure on my daughter's nails, all right? Alright, so as you can see, I have the whole starter kit with everything I need in it. So I am unboxing everything. I did get 4 colors for my first kit, and you'll see the 4 colors I got, but I got the ocean blue, the princess pink, the dark dreams, and I can't remember what the silver one is called, but those are the colors that I have, and so you'll see me unboxing those. Alright, and then I'm going to go through the whole process on my daughter's nail. They do include a coupon, so shout out to NailBoo, because I will definitely be using the 15% off to get me some more colors. Alright, so I already did my nails previously, and now I'm doing my daughter's nails. So now you can see the process. Just know that it is, once you get the hang of it, I promise you it's pretty easy. But you definitely want to start out with clean nails. I already washed her nails, or already pushed her cuticles back. We had cuticle oil, massage her nails and shape them a little bit because she has really short nails, so it wasn't much to do and had her wash it. And then I start off with the base coat. Now what you need as far as the base, the activator and everything is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So the base is 1, so you do the base, and then you're going to see me do a dip. Use the building powder 1 time and then the base again. And then after you do the base the second time, then you go in with whatever, you go in with the color that you are looking to use. So she wanted the princess pink and my little shimmery silver-ish color. Let me actually see what that color is called, guys. Okay, Superstar Shine. That's what that silver color is. Okay, so you'll see me base, dip it in the building powder, base, and then you'll see dip it in the color as you see here, and then you're going to brush it off with the little brush they have. Some people have been complaining about the brush. The brush was fine, especially for my daughter's nails. I didn't have a problem with it. It does kind of get stiff a little bit after you use it a while, but just go ahead and clean it off. Alright, so the brush works fine. I actually got the process well with her. With my hand, I did my whole hand 1 time, and then instead of doing it finger by finger, with my daughter I'm doing it finger by finger. So I hope you enjoy. So after I do the color, then you're going to add some activator, or actually I do a base again and then the color again. So you want to do it twice, because if you only do it 1 time, the color is going to show light, especially your darker colors. The silver works perfectly, but your darker colors, they're definitely going to show light. So go ahead and do the base and then the color twice, and then do the activator. You're going to wait 5 minutes, let that dry some. Alright, and then you can go in and shape, and you'll see me later on do some shaping and sanding and buffing. And then after you do that, you're going to add your activator again. You're going to have them wash your hands with soap and water, and then activator, let that sit for 5 minutes, and then you add your top coat, let that sit for 5 minutes, and add the top coat again. So once you get the hang of it, I promise you it's really easy. I love it. My daughter loved it, and I will be trying again. My nails came out okay. I'm gonna see how long they last, but so just keep an eye out on some more reviews on NailBoo if you want to see how to take it off or how long it actually lasts. They say it's supposed to last 3 to 6 weeks. We shall see. Okay, keep tuning in. Don't forget to comment, share, like, show your girl some love. Let me know if you tried NailBoo. Let me know your favorite colors. Let me know some great techniques on taking this off if you already tried it. All right.
Somebody get caught. Did I
Okay,
get caught?
final dry.
Oh,
This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next